Embark on a thrilling journey to the skies with our private pilot program at Airman Flight School, an immersive experience designed to transform your dreams of flying into a reality. Our program is more than just lessons. It's a symphony of adventure, knowledge, and hands-on experience that propels you into the captivating world of aviation. From day one, you'll be guided by seasoned instructors, each a master of the skies, eager to share their passion and expertise with aspiring aviators like yourself. You'll navigate the clouds, chase the horizon, and learn to dance with the winds at the helm of your personal airborne chariot. Our program isn't just about earning your wings, it's about unlocking the boundless potential within you. Join Airmen in the adventure of a lifetime and let the skies become your playground.
You too can get your private pilot certificate.
Airman's a great school because with us, you get high quality, you get quick learning, but you don't cut any corners. When you're here, you're going to become the best pilot you can be, and you can guarantee that.
Hi, my name is Rachit and I'm a student here at Airman since about 7 months now. My training so far has been great with Airman, and Airman has exactly delivered what it promises, which is speed, quality and efficiency. Airman has a very good fleet of aircrafts. It has 152s, 172s and a multi-engine PA-34. Airman is very good with its instructors. The instructors are very diligent and they are very good with their knowledge, and they like to give it their all to the student to make them a better pilot. They will push you hard, they will stick around with you, they will not give up on you for sure, and I think that's what a student needs.